So guys, any particular website, any email address, how we can suspend and how we can delete the email address. In this email address delete purpose, any website, not only my website, the using option will be control panel. That mean by cPanel option. I'm logging cPanel. After logging cPanel, the option will be called email accounts. In the email accounts, so which email you have to suspend or you have to delete, the option will be where you can go for. So I'm selecting in the particular email address. Okay, just so we can hold on, manage. I'm doing first of all login suspend. If you want delete email account. Suspend nothing but the email will be data there, but nobody can log in the email address. Update email option will be here. Suppose if you log in through cPanel, the email will be logged in successfully. But when people log in with the webmail option, they can't log in here. So here, login is invalid. Suppose simple, just look here, everyone. I'm just allow the login here, updated. Just you can click for here login. Login will be done. So these are the parameter we can use to we can account will be suspend or we have to delete. Two option will be there. Suspend nothing but the data everything will be there in your website. The person cannot log in your option. So delete is a completely permanent delete option in a particular here. So here, open this option here. In this particular webmail will be open in a particular email address. They will be open here. So once again we can stop and log in the option. They can't log in your particular email address. Why? Because they're here. Just I'm doing this option. I'm just showing here. Webmail. Just log in. In this, what are the options are here? They're showing for particular failure. Why is a login failure? Now just manage. We can call will be allow and update here. Just and login in this. So these are the particular option we can use on the particular email address. Any login will be suspend or delete. Both option will be flexible on the particular cPanel option. Any email to valid any options, the using option will be cPanel particular email address. This will be delete email and suspend email. Everything will be there in the particular. So a lot of people working companies, so suddenly the login will be invalid. Then nothing but the data will be suspended by the authority company website cPanel. cPanel nothing but control panel option. Every website same procedure. Go to email account. What are the email you have to suspend or delete? The option will be only for cPanel option. Is it clear? So these are the parameter we can learn on the particular webmail purpose. And guys, one more important things. If you learn more things, you can subscribe our channel and comment me any question regarding about digital marketing or further any assist required. Just ping me in the comment box on the message box. I'll reply it. If you are into looking for Telugu tutorial also, you can go for it for Skill to Digital, and you can learn everything digital marketing and more videos. Go to the skill2digital.com in my website. We are total 2 channels. Digital Rakesh will be complete English. Skill to Digital will be there, Telugu, Hindi, English. And studying for Telugu and Hindi will be coming soon. And what are the videos required? Everything will be there in my website. To learn everything will be here, and contact me any required information. Will make the video upload by in the particular website option. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my videos. And if for the any request, for any question, please comment me on the YouTube comment video box.